Hey guys, we're playing FNAM, Five Nights at Monkeys, and wait, to get a 2-badge mission adventure. The heck is that? Oh. Yeah, you gotta join the Discord. Content creator, sticky content creator, teacher, must be part of the program. I can sign up. Oh my god. Wait. And make sure it has the hashtag FNAM0. Okay. Guys, please look at this video and finish the video because this is a really entertaining video. And yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yippee. Where am I?
Hello?
Where am I?
Is this on? Okay.
Where are you?
Hey there, welcome to your first day on the job. This is pre-recorded message.
Where did
Now,
you
let's explain a few
go?
things about this job. So let's get into it. The job is simple. All I need to do is watch
Wait.
the cameras, and if anything tries to get
Oh,
in,
yeah,
just
we are.
close the door
Crap.
by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green
I don't
button.
think I'm going to
Make sure
survive.
not to have the door closed for too long, since you have a limited amount of power, aka battery. I don't know really what to call it. You can call it whatever.
Just look at the cameras
Is that
and
everything?
try to close
Oh, yeah.
the door at least.
Every night you will be in different locations.
I see.
The first night, which you've just started, will
Actually,
take place
no,
in forest.
no.
Also,
It's
there are some things that like to lurk in the forest. I'm not really sure what they are, but if you see anything looking at you through the window,
Where?
then quickly hide it.
Where is he?
Anyway, good luck.
Oh my god. No. 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 Yeah, where did he go? Oh, I see him.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman
Oh,
is
I
not
see
his
you.
original self. Please find it before it's too
Go
late.
away. Go away. Go away. Go away. I think it like quits your whole entire game if you die. Does it? Yeah, like you have to. And it's really annoying. Oh, he moved. Okay, you're on top of the slide now. Oh, I see you, buddy. You're not slick. But yeah, I see you from Treehouse. The mirror? Dude, how do I only have 80% battery? That's crazy. No, you don't. Jeez. Oh, crap, he moved. Oh, he's on camera 1. Oh my god. I said, oh my god, brother. How do I already have 77%?
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected
I
that Frederick
see
the Little
you.
Snowman is not
Oh,
his original
go
self.
away.
Please find him before it's too late.
Go away. Go away. Oh god. Dude, that scared me so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, comment, if this video hits 1,000 views, I'll make a part 2 of, Five Nights at Monkeys, or FNAM. Yeah. See you in the next